Continuing on, CNC group break number 2843. We have the 12-13 Series 1 and the 11-12 Parky champions. Florida, I thought, got a hit, didn't they? For the Carolina Hurricanes, canvas, Jeff Skinner. LA Kings definitely got a hit, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, they definitely did. For the Phoenix Coyotes, Young Guns of Michael Stone. Michael Stone. For the Edmonton Oilers, we have a game jersey of Sam Gagner. Sam Gagner. Columbus might not have got anything. For the Calgary Flames, MVP Mika Kiprasov. So Calgary out of the running. For the Boston Bruins, we got a Young Guns of Carter Camper. Yeah, you got a more Young Guns, so Calgary's now officially gone. For the Ottawa Senators, canvas of Daniel Alfredson. For the Minnesota Wild, we have a Young Guns of Christopher Foucault. For the New York Islanders, we have a game jersey of Matt Molson. For the Winnipeg Jets, we have an MVP of Evander Kane. Ottawa Young Gun, Jakob Silverberg. Jakob Silverberg for the Young Gun Seattle Senators. Canvas for the Winnipeg Jets, Andrew Ladd. I don't think there's been a Philly one yet, so I think your Philly's still in the running. For the Vancouver Canucks, we have a silver skates of Henrik Sedin. As far as I recall. For the Islanders, we have a 1970s of Brian Trottier. So I think there's only about 3 teams left. I think it's Philly. For the Minnesota Wild, Young Guns, Che Genoway. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, MVP of James Neal. For the LA Kings, canvas, Jonathan Quick. For the Anaheim Ducks, silver skates, Corey Perry. For the Montreal Canadiens, 1970s, Guy Lafleur. Columbus Blue Jackets, Young Guns, Dalton Prout. For the Islanders, MVP of John Tavares. Ooh, pretty. Well, if you're going to get shut out, at least it lasted till now. We got a Young Guns exclusives numbered to 100. For the St. Louis Blues, Jaden Schwartz. Young Guns exclusives, Jaden Schwartz. Wow, that is pretty beast mode. There you go, Professor, no longer shut out. So I think, what teams are left now? We got Philly and Calgary, I think. That's it. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, Red Kelly. That's wire photo for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux, and a mini for the Colorado Avalanche of Peter Stastny. For the Detroit Red Wings, mini of Alex Delvecchio. For the Montreal Canadiens, Denis Savard mini. Wire photo for the Chicago Blackhawks, Bobby Hull, Stan Mikita, and a Borje Salming for the Toronto Maple Leafs mini. Ah, that's right. So Philly, no one else. Boston Bruins, Phil Esposito mini. There's nobody else. Everyone already's got a hit this early in the break. For the Montreal Canadiens, Guy Lafleur renditions. And for the Ottawa Senators, Greenback mini, King Clancy. Ooh. We've got for the Boston Bruins, Ray Bourque mini. And for the Boston Bruins, we have an autograph, Milt Schmidt. Milt Schmidt for the Boston Bruins. Maybe the Sharks haven't hit. Maybe Florida hasn't hit yet. Those are possibilities. Mini for the Chicago Blackhawks, greenback of Stan Mikita. Wire photo for the Philadelphia Flyers, Bobby Clarke. And we got a Gilbert Perreault for the Buffalo Sabres. Nice. We have a mini autograph for the Edmonton Oilers, Yari Curry. Mini auto, Yari Curry. For the Boston Bruins, Terry O'Reilly mini greenback. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Ron Francis mini. For the Rangers, Gump Worsley mini. For the Washington Capitals, Adam Oates. For the LA Kings, Rogie Vachon. We're just getting started on this one. We got a McKinnon Young Gun, so that's already a good start. For the Rangers, Mark Messier. And for the Montreal Canadiens, Steve Shutt, greenback mini. Renditions of Stan Mikita for the Chicago Blackhawks and a Luc Robitaille mini for the LA Kings. Islanders, Mike Bossy, renditions, and Toronto Maple Leafs, Red Kelly mini. Glenn Anderson mini for the Edmonton Oilers. And finish off with Detroit Red Wings, Igor Larionov.